Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you guys how to turn these Levi thrifted jeans into some nice skinny jeans for only $5. You're going to need a pair of jeans that you would like to adjust. You also need a pen and some pins to hold your fabric together. And most important of all, you're going to need your handy dandy sewing machine, obviously. And a pair of skinny jeans that you already own to use as a guide. So the first step is you're going to turn the pants that you want to modify inside out and lay the skinny jeans that you already own on top, and then trace the outline with your pen, and you're going to see why it's important. So you're going to trace with the pen on both sides, and then next you're going to come in with the pins and start pinning right where you drew out the line. The reason why I do this is because it gives me more of a guide when I start sewing and get rid of the pins. Also, you want to place the pins vertically instead of horizontally. And you're going to want to place your sewing machine on the highest thread. I put it to 4 just because that's enough. So you're going to want to start at the crotch area and sew all the way down. I am going an inch out because my jeans are not stretchy at all. So if your fabric is not stretchy, I recommend you do this. And also, very important, do not forget to back stitch. It's so important. It's to hold your jeans together. You don't want them tearing apart. And once you're finished sewing, you're going to want to turn them inside out and try them on. I know it looks silly, but it's to see if they fit you. Now I'm going to go in with a zigzag stitch to make my jeans more secure. So you want to stitch as close as possible to your seam line. I didn't get this on the first try. I literally sewed my jeans a little too tight on my ankle, so I had to tear it apart and sew it again. But it's all about patience. You're going to get it, don't worry. Now, if you guys don't know how to sew and you would love to learn, just leave a comment below and I would be more than glad to make a video on the basics of using a sewing machine. I'm not professional, but I can still teach you guys the basics. Because to be honest, I'm totally winging this. No, I'm just kidding. And once you're finished, you're going to want to cut all the excess off and you're almost finished. Now, this part is totally optional, but I do want to use my iron and iron on the seams because I feel like it looks a little bit more professional. But again, guys, you do not have to do this. It's totally optional. And you guys are finished. Hope you guys love this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.